Hi, my name is Shivangi and I'm a Customer Solutions Manager at Orgzit. In this video, I'm going to tell you how do web forms work in Orgzit. The web forms are a great way to capture data from different sources. Within Orgzit, you can use web forms to capture data from users that are not a part of your Orgzit workspace or account and save it directly as a record in your Orgzit workspace. So now, for example, if you have employees logging in expenses or you have customers and you want feedback from them, or for example, you have clients, you want them to raise tickets if they face any issue. Now, in all these cases, the employees and the clients are not a part of your Orgzit workspace, but you want their data to be a part of your Orgzit workspace. So what you can do is you can use web forms and they can use the web forms to fill in whatever data they want to fill, and that information will directly come into your Orgzit workspace. So I'll quickly show you how it works. Now I have a customer service desk workspace here, and I have a table for managing all the tickets that my clients raise. So my ticket form looks somewhat like this, and I'll create the same web form to pass on to my clients. So for that, you have to move to the table manage page and move down to the web form section. Now you just have to click on enable web form. Now, once you enable the web form, you have two options. You can use the link of the web form. You can also embed the web form in any of your website and capture information directly from there. So you can use this code and embed it to your website code. Now, once you've enabled the web form, you can give it a title and you can give it a description if you want, and you can save it. Once it is saved, you can just check out what the form looks like. So this is basically the form that you can pass on to your clients. They will just look at it and they can choose their name. They can choose the description, any issue they're facing. They can log in here, and they can also pass on the severity and just submit it. Now, once they submit it, it will automatically come here to your tickets table. So what we have done is we've just created a form which we can go and give it to anyone in this entire world. They need not to be logged into your Orgzit account or workspace. They can fill in the data that you want to capture, and the data will directly be captured to your Orgzit workspace. We move to the web form. You can just copy its link and you can give it to anyone. You can just mail it to your employees. You can give it in your communication groups, and hence the users can use it.